So what we're gonna do, one of my favorite exercises. Shout out to one of the best physiques I've seen. Shout out to Frank Zane. Actually, no one Frank Zane. This is what I got this from. We're gonna do old school pullovers. I mean old school. We're gonna get a flat bench. We're gonna come down like you're doing bridges. You wanna sit all the way down. You wanna come up to where your shoulder blades are. Just sit at the edge on this side so you can be able to have your head lean back. So you want enough where your head lean back and your back is laying on the edge. Grab a good thumbnail. This is key. Don't go too heavy, don't go too light. You wanna be able to get the longest stretch that you can, but actually come up and contract and use the correct muscles. 3 muscles are gonna be used in this workout right here. Well, actually kind of 4. Number 1, what you wanna use on this day is gonna be your lower chest. So that's right here. You see when people that have them gills right under their chest? That's me. That's where they come from. That's me. You wanna get a big, wide lat spread. This comes from here, it gets your lats. You incorporate these 2 secondary muscles are gonna be your front delts and your triceps. So you wanna try to get to a point where you don't use that much delts and that much triceps. You wanna be able to use them scales right here in this back. So you be able to come up, pull, get a big wide back. This with pull-ups is crazy, because that's what we're about to do today. What? So it's a tricep right here. We're gonna do pullovers, 15. We're gonna do laterals, good weight, another 12. We're gonna go over to the pull-up bar and get 10 pull-ups. This is a high-paced one right here. So that's why I don't tell you until it is.
Oh, I thought it was chest day.
This spreads it out. So this not only helps those muscles, it helps you build a big cave right here. It's just your rib cage gets spread out. To be able to keep your waist small, this comes out wider. So you get that front, you wide, and you're looking good. When we're more bodybuilders than anything else, we want to live long and look good. I want to be old and just be killing it. You're gonna try your best to have your arms almost locked, just a little bit. So if I'm here, big stretch. Here we up. 1, 2. Good. We'll be back a little more. Yeah, like keep lying down. Yep. Pull straight up. Start up here, up top. Push up. Yep. Keep that same motion. Big stretch. Big stretch. Pull straight up from here. Yeah. Big stretch. Make it wide. Pull from here. Look good.